Hello and welcome back to Rich Reviews. Today we're going to be looking at this washing machine that I've purchased for washing all my cloths and such like, all my clothes. So this is a camping washing machine for storage, so I went for a bigger one. This has got a 7.5 kilogram weight limit for the clothes to go in. So we're going to unbox it now and see what it's like. Okay, so open the box. It's half decent size. It's Cosvalve. Quite a nice looking one, to be honest. A lot of them are all plasticky, but this has got like a metal drum in there. A bit plasticky, but looks nice. Let's get it out and see how it goes. Okay, so all I've done is plug this on here. I believe you can fit a hose to that if you wanted. We could mark it up here, but I might just use the hose to put it in, so I may not need that. So I've plugged it in, haven't turned it on yet. So here we go, we've got wash, spin, off. So there's wash and that's off, and then this one is spin timer, so you would put it on 9 to 12 I believe for a wash. So what we'll do is we will put our clothes in first, turn it on and see what happens. Okay, so I'm putting some dirty cloths in there. I've got me bio mixture to put in there. So that'll be the next job. So if we fill it up to the L, I guess, with water, and then we can switch it on. Okay, so we've put our mixture in there. Switch it on and put it on wash. We'll try it for and there you go, switched on. It does say have it on a flat surface, so just make sure it's all flat. Does seem to be spinning. So we'll see how that comes out when it's finished. Okay, so I've given that another wash, so let's take that off, pour the water out. I'm not 100% sure that it's done 100% clean. I'm not expecting them to be totally unstained, but at least they get some sort of cleaning done. Let's have a look inside. I've put some extra clothes in there as well to see how it handled with weight, and it seems to work quite well. So next job, once all this water's drained, we'll put it on a spin and see how much it gets rid of the water from that. Okay, so the water's starting to trickle out now, so what we're going to do is turn this to spin and put that on for 15 minutes. We'll see how that goes. Right, it's done a full circle. It's not completely dry, but, and I don't think you'd ever get everything out of them. Obviously that's oil, it's never going to come out, but at least it's semi dry. It shouldn't take a lot to dry now. I can always wash them again just to make sure it has. I mean, there is a lot of dirt in that, but maybe I'll give it another clean. Okay, so I'm on day 2 now washing the clothes. I've got an urn here which I boil the water up in, pour it from that tube into the washing machine. As you can see, pouring the hot water in there, and then once that's full I can begin to put it on a wash again. I've done quite a lot of my stuff now, so yeah, it is working well. If it gets too hot or gets stuck, then it will go into like a limp mode, but it only lasts for about 5 minutes and then it will restart again. I guess it's just sort of saving the temperature of the actual motor. But yeah, I'm really pleased with it. For 75 quid, I'd say it's definitely worth it if you're working in the garage and you need to wash your cloths and that, or maybe if you're washing cars. Just saves on using your wife's washing machine and ruining it. So definitely give it a 10 out of 10 because it does do the job. Thanks for watching, and come back for more reviews very shortly. Please subscribe and like the video.